In life, every trader eventually make a wrong move at some point. Why I'm saying that every trader make this mistake? Just because the errors I'm going to talk today are so common that I can say that they're quite universal. Well guys, I'm so confident in this topic because I speak from my own experience. I blew through 5 or 6 trading accounts, losing in general more than $60,000. Just imagine this amount of money. Well guys, but in the long run, I managed to survive these chaos, figure all it out, achieve full-on trading enlightenment and saw the light. Well, after I've reached a consistent profit, the direction of my life has changed and now it feels really amazing. I live very well and trading is my main income. So settle in comfortably. We'll analyze with the live trading footage the most effective and the worst ways to scale an account and why spending money is so important. Guys, and just before we start, a couple of words about my Telegram channel. Please subscribe to my Telegram channel. You can find the link to it just in the description to this video. I will post not only trading, not only signals, by the way, they are absolutely free, but also my personal content, just lifestyle, short videos and voice messages. So guys, let's continue. Let's go to the main part. From my experience, I've seen 3 types of people start trading. The first type seems to have it all together. They start trading, manage risk, play it smart, but then a thought creeps in. Let's trade a larger size. You're doing great. Just continue entering trades. Others are making even more. Just double up the deposit. Double up the deposit. Nothing will happen, right? We've been doing great so far. Everything's been amazing. Then comes the blow up, tears, pain, depression, and a very sad ending. This is the first mistake. Greed. Greed shows up when you see the first profit and fear exciting too early. What if this is just getting started? I can double it. Others are making more than me. And suddenly, you're no longer a trader, you're a gambler chasing a dream. And while you're chasing more, the market takes back everything it gave. You forget that your main goal not to catch the absolute top, it's to have a profit and then get out. And the most scary part, that greed shows up when you have profit, when you already have some extra money. Greed doesn't stop you from entering a new trade, it stops you from exiting at the right moment. The second type jump in with a huge deposit right away. They trade without any risk management, thinking, okay, we have tons of money. Yes, and here is the second type of mistake. If you don't understand how the market works, then a huge deposit has no advantage, only disadvantage. In fact, it makes losses with much pain. You don't know how to handle tilt, you don't know what it means to stay in a winning trade too long. You can't accept a loss. Then you've got 100k on your account and suddenly a trade goes bad. You stop thinking about your trade, about your strategy, and start obsessing over real money, over your money. So while you're in a panic, looking at the chart, looking at this candle which is going in the wrong way, your thoughts like, I need to get even, I need to break even, I need to beat the loss. Well, at that point, you're no longer a trader. You're someone who desperately trying to keep what you don't really understand. The third type treats trading like gambling, thinking it's easy money and just luck. But trading isn't about luck. It's about system, strategy, and calculated thinking. So if you're entering a trade on emotion, without exit plan, without strategy, without risk understanding, then you're not trading. You're gambling, you're playing, you're having fun, but you're not earning money. To be honest, you're just hoping for the best. And hope doesn't work in trading. Every buy or sell must fit into a logical system. You must know why you're entering this position, what you expect from this trade, where you'll decide that it's enough and what you will do if this trade closes in loss. The market will give and then take back. Fast, harsh, irreversible. And you want to even understand and realize when exactly the things went off track. Sometimes you won't even have a minute to enjoy your win, and then the market will take you back from the trading Olymp. This is Maya. She's been trading for 5 years, crypto, stocks, and binary options. She knows what she's doing. And this is Mila. She tries trading but fails and gets frustrated. Her dream got reached in one day because she saw it in the movies. Month after month, she deposits more and more and blows the account. Now we'll compare two examples, one efficient trader and one not. And now we'll compare two examples, one efficient trader and one not. For successful trading, you must have your own approach and strategy. Let's see how Mila trades. With that many indicators, it doesn't help, it clutters. You don't need 15, 10 or even 5 indicators. You need only 3 that signal entry points. For example, let's delete all these useless indicators, and I will, and also this one and this one and this one. I prefer RSI. First of all, I choose RSI, and here I change from 14 to 8, period to 8. Then you see that these 3 indicators are hidden and I just show up them. I use moving averages with different periods. Here I can set up period 200 and the style is purple. Don't forget to change the color of your EMAs. EMA 20 style is orange and EMA 50 style is blue. And the last but not least, I use super trend, just in addition to RSI and my EMAs, but I prefer EMAs best of all, my literally favorite indicator. So now I'm ready to start trading. And now let's take a look at Mila's time expiration and entry amount. We see that she has chosen 5 seconds and $700. I can say that it's too much for one single trade. So let's fix Mila's mistakes and find a perfect entry point. So I changed expiration time to 1 minute and the amount I changed to $100. Well, $100 is still a significant amount for one single trade. It's like about 10% of our account. So for newcomers, I strongly recommend to enter trades with only from 2 to 5% of their account. But due to my experience and really trained nerves, I can enter a trade with $100. So just follow, please, risk management. So guys, I've changed the currency pair, Euro, Great Britain, Pound. So you see that here is a breakout of our super trend, and just super trend changed its direction from from sell to buy, So we just see that the price is going upper to over 200 MA. So a really strong uptrend here. And we're waiting 30 seconds left to see if we have profit or not. But this candle is really strong. Okay, we can switch to another time frame just to see. Okay, you see that the exit point was just in a perfect time. Yeah. I've just opened this currency pair and saw that the setup is really, really good and really profitable. So guys, the first profit for today, really, really nice. And so, excuse me, I forgot that my blue MA is not 200 MA but 50 MA. Okay, I sometimes forget in which colors I've just colored my MAs. So guys, now I'm waiting when this candle or touches the MA 20 or crosses MA 50, our blue MA. So I don't trade between the levels, and I strongly don't recommend you to trade between levels without clear setups. While we can pay, while we're waiting, we can pay. Okay, here I think that here will be a breakout. While we're just waiting for expiration time, we can just pay attention to our RSI here. We see that the asset is a little bit overbought, the price is a little bit high, so 40 seconds left. But RSI doesn't tell if the price will go down or going up. It's just it shows more clear the situation which is happening on the market. So guys, now I see that still waiting. Okay, maybe I should just change to $200. Okay guys, you see that the price practically reached my entry point. Unfortunately, losses happens. Even experienced traders make some mistakes and lose money. Mistakes happen even to experienced traders. You may lose a lot of money, and you should be mentally prepared for this situation. So guys, I was prepared for this just not so pleasant setup, and I divided my account to a few parts so I can recover after I lose some money. So now I change my volume to $200, and I'm waiting for a new position to enter. So the situation is the same. I'm waiting from a bounce from 20 MA or a breakout of 50 MA. Okay. So guys, I decided to change currency pair just because the fluctuation on the previous currency pair was really bad, and the price was stuck between these two MAs, and I don't like the situation when the price is between two MAs, our candles between these MAs, because we can wait for a breakout for hours, and I want a quick trade to just show the example for you. So we see that the price is hitting our local heights. Just so I decided to enter, of course, long position here. So the price is growing here. It's coming to our 7th level due to RSI, but we don't care about RSI. We got our money back and even earned more. So guys, congrats, I'm really happy. So maybe I should enter another long position here. I'll change to 100 again. Don't forget about risk management, guys. So I'll wait for another candle and just see the direction of this candle. So entered another long position. We see that this candle is just like retesting this level. The candle thing, should they stay at this level, or should they go back or high or lower? But you see that I choose a right point to enter this trade. Fortunately, the candle is still above our local heights, so I'm ready to just celebrate another profitable trade for today. 10 seconds left, or no, 12. Oh my god, I don't like this candle. Please stay above this level. It's for my safety of my nerves, okay? So guys, congrats, another $200 on my account. See, no stress, I recovered from this loss and even added slightly ahead. And what about our Mila? Mila didn't know this, and now she's on a video call with her psychologist walking through this trauma, so wish her luck. Earning money is great, but dear friends, tell me, what's even more better? Of course, spending money on yourself and your loved ones. It's crucial to withdraw profits. A lot of people, I guess that most of people, come to trading for one purpose: to improve their level of life, to get a better apartment, to get a better electronic devices, to just buy things they hesitated on. But when it comes to actually withdrawing money, they forget about it. I know many whose trading account becomes a piggy bank, but you must spend some. There is a great psychologist phenomenon. A dog receives a treat after following a command, and then a dog understands that a good behavior, that following some rules is rewarded. Same here. Eventually, a streak of losses will break you if you never treat yourself. Just take this $100 and spend on something nice and pleasant. Just treat yourself. Your brain will remember it and realize that everything is fine. You will appreciate the value of your work, and what's more important, you will see that you earned that money just in an hour, what you've already achieved. Guys, thank you all for watching. I hope that this video was really interesting and useful for you. Thank you for your activity, and please subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link in the description to this video. I hope that I will see you there. Bye bye!